Breaking news. The Cheshire McCurry and Shot Puppet has finally turned into a zombie outbreak. This is a real Roman. Wait. Just wait. The Rona. Oh dear. It's Rona. He's dehydrated as a zombie. Yeah. He got 9 people. Yup. Any question. There are lots of all of us a tale dark and grim people. A lot of people. And the king has been evacuating people to safety. This is unbelievable. Yeah. That thing. Oh dear. Is that the battle? Is that the man with the girl put in the sand in the man's head? With the whole body of sand top in his head? Oh yeah. This is unbelievable. This is not okay. Wait. He did it straight to the chopper. Wait, listen boys and girls. We gotta stop this at once. Oh dear. This battle is started. This is unbelievable. Oh, great. Stay tuned. Oh, hey, buddy. Oh, wait. Don't do that. Please. Okay, fine. You're not going to hang out on my chin chair. Alright then, guys. This is a really madness. Madness? You are the madness. This is an illegal, you know. To have gooey purple clay transformation of Pokemon transform into a Shelly like Yonder the Boy Rock movie. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna do anything. Yeah, battle started. This is warfare. Oh, great. The queen is into the dragon now. This is unbelievable how genocide works. Stay tuned. Have a good, real final battle, Hermit Crab. Orange and blue. Goodbye. Okay. Wait, you can't leave me now. That's the orders. No bill orders. Movie drive.
We don't got much left. Hey, look, boss. Not possible. Not gonna happen. We're taking off. Now. Kill that.
Zombie creeps. Oh no! He's gonna. Oh! He hit me! He hit me! What are we gonna do?
I have an idea.
Dude, not a good idea. It'll be a. Breaking news. The Rona is alive now. Yeah, thanks to the Roman. Huh. And your guys too. Defeat this stupid thing. The crew outbreaks. Yeah. Thanks to a thing. This is very hideous. Yeah. Look. Guys, where is it? I'm sorry, I'm interrupted. I found the poster. The Queen Dragon. I found the poster. Wait. Oh, see. Oh yeah, we get to do it tonight. Yeah. You better hurry up then. Okay. All right. This is. Wait. Go off, Hermit Crab. They're about to leave soon. Oh yeah. This stuck in the head guy with the sand, the whole body. And it was cute, this thing. Ah, yeah, really easy. Alright, here you have it, folks. Stay tuned. Peace? No, not this time. Thanks.